The citrus, pine, or floral smell of a freshly cleaned room may come with something unexpected: invisible air pollution. According to a new study, fragrances in both conventional and botanical cleaning products can react with ozone in indoor air, forming nanoparticles that can travel deep into the lungs if inhaled. In a model home, researchers found that mopping floors, spraying counters, and wiping surfaces with scented products generated billions or even trillions of these ultrafine particles. They say the respiratory dose can be comparable to or even greater than standing outside along a busy road. The lead investigator says, importantly, cleaning removes viruses and bacteria from surfaces, but it can also generate invisible air pollution. There is no visible dust or smoke in the air, but these particles are forming. Researchers warn particles this small can contribute to respiratory irritation and inflammation or potentially enter the bloodstream. To reduce exposure, they recommend choosing low fragrance or fragrance-free products, using fewer scented products at once, and opening windows or running exhaust fans.